लेकिन in our story the red raincoat, Manu waits for the rain to come. Here in the poem, Johnny wants rain to go, and in our story, Manu wants rain to come because he wants to wear the red raincoat. Okay, so here we are, English chapter 2, the red raincoat. This is the third session of this chapter. Okay, and today we will do some exercises in the book itself. Okay, let me revise what did we do in the first session and the second session. In the first session, we read the story. Okay, and in the story, we read that how Manu was waiting for the rain to come from Sunday to Saturday. Sunday he got the raincoat, and finally on Saturday it rained. In the second session, in the first session only we have done choose the correct option, that was exercise A1, and in the second session we did answer the following questions, that was on page number 16. Okay, so today's session we are going to do some book work, but before that I want to show you that this is rain. Okay, now this is the month July, and generally in July month it rains every day for continuous 3 to 4 months. जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर तक बारिश होती है, फिर सितंबर से थोड़ी थोड़ी बारिश कम होती है. बट उसके बाद क्या होता है या उससे पहले क्या होता है, सीजन्स कैसे चेंज होते हैं या फिर कौन कौन से सीजन्स होते हैं, दैट आई वांट टू शो यू. ओके, व्हाट हैपेंस इन रेनी सीजन? ये अभी जो सीजन चल रहा है, इट इज रेनिंग, ऑल्दो इट इज वेरी हॉट टुडे, but this season is rainy season. So this is rainy season, and I want to show you some more seasons. Okay, just wait for a minute. See what this girl wants to say you. Okay, if you are unable to hear, I will repeat the same.
It's so bright and lovely. There is a breeze blowing soft. Water, water, dark and blue. It's blowing, making rock. It's time to see the season poems. Let's see if you can guess the correct seasons. The days are longer, hot and bright. The sun shines and glows with all its might. Shades for your eyes and good clothes to wear, and lots of yummy ice cream to share. What season is this?
So the girl is saying that, okay, here in this season the sun is very bright and we love to eat yummy ice creams. Okay, again I want to hear it one more time.
It's time to see the season poems. Let's see if you can guess the correct seasons. The days are longer, hot and bright. The sun shines and glows with all its might. Shades for your eyes and good clothes to wear, and lots of yummy ice cream to share.
Okay, so
What season is this?
the girl is saying that it is very hot all the day. Okay, the sun that shines so bright that if we are going out, we have to wear a hat on our head and we have to wear sunglasses, and also we wear loose clothes so that
and make some paper boats. What season is this?
See, what season is this? The girl is wearing a green raincoat. She is having a pink umbrella and she has also worn gum boots. And see, there is a rainbow and she is telling that you can float paper boats also. आपने कभी पेपर का बोट बनाया है? कागज की नाव बनाई है? Okay, so which season is this? SUMMER summer, RAINY rainy, WINTER winter. I'm thinking of rainy season.
Yay! You are right. Here is your reward.
I am correct. So she has given me a paper boat. देखो इसने मुझे पेपर बोट दिया गिफ्ट में. पहले मुझे आइसक्रीम मिली. Then I have got a paper boat for the correct answer.
It's cold, dry and chilly and a bit sunny. Warm clothes, bright to show, and at times you can play with the snow. What season is this? It's cold, dry and chilly and a bit sunny. Warm clothes, bright to show, and at times you can play with the snow. What season is this?
See, the girl is feeling very cold. उसे बहुत ठंड लग रही है. That's why she has worn the ear caps, the woolen clothes. She has worn gloves also in the hand, and the cat too has worn muffler and ear caps. So which season is this? कौन से सीजन में बहुत ठंडी होती है और कहीं-कहीं तो स्नो रेन भी होता है. So SUMMER summer, RAINY rainy or WINTER winter. Let's
Yay!
yes.
You are
I am correct here.
Here
Okay.
is your reward.
See what I have got. I have got a muffler. I have got a cap, woolen cap I have got. Okay, so these were the three seasons: summer, winter, rainy. In summer season we feel very hot. In winter season we feel very cold, and in rainy season it rains all the time for continuously 2 to 3 months. And this rainy season is also called monsoon. ये rainy season को और क्या कहते हैं? इनको हम मानसून भी कहते हैं. One more season is there which is not here. I want to tell you it is autumn. It is autumn. Okay. And what happens in autumn? In this season some trees shed leaves, which is why we also call this season the fall. The weather is slightly chilly and windy. बारिश के बाद. Okay. Just after the rains, जब विंटर सीजन आने वाला होता है और बारिश रेनी सीजन जाने वाला होता है, उन दोनों के बीच में एक सीजन आता है जो कुछ दिनों का होता है. It is for some days. Okay. It is called autumn season. उस autumn season में trees अपने leaves shed करते हैं. Trees के क्या होते हैं? Shed करते हैं. It is called पतझड़ in Hindi. Okay, so on page number 18, see on page number 18, can you see this page number 18? These four seasons are given: summer, monsoon, winter, and autumn. So in summer season it is very hot. In monsoon it rains a lot. And winter season it is very cold, and in autumn some trees shed leaves. Okay, so that is all I wanted to tell you today. Now let us do the exercise on the in the book. Now open your book, 17. Open your page number 17. Today we will do page number 17 as well as page number 19. Okay? So open your books first. And if you are attending the class, please write your name in the discussion box so that I could know that who are exactly attending the class. You can write your names or else your parents can also write. Write your name in the discussion box. So I am opening page number 17. You have to write in the book itself. On page number 17, it is A4 exercise. Fill in the blanks and say what happens each day of the week. Week में Sunday से Saturday तक story में क्या हुआ? Although this part was discussed in session 1, now we are going to write it in the book. Okay? See students, there is very little space given in the book. Okay? Try to manage with little letters. छोटे छोटे letters से उसे manage करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Okay? So in the book, it is Sunday. Then it is given Tuesday, Tuesday. Then it is given Thursday, Thursday. All the days are not in order. Days जो है वो order में नहीं है. Okay. Then it is given Saturday, Saturday. Saturday. After that it is Monday. Then Wednesday, Wednesday. Wednesday. And at last it is Friday. And at last it is Friday. Friday I am writing here. In the book, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay. So what happened on Sunday? It is given in the book. See. Sunday and Tuesday is given in the book. Manu gets the red raincoat. For Tuesday it is given the sky is blue. For Thursday it is given Manu goes on a picnic. So these 3 days are given in the book. We have to write for Saturday. What happens on Saturday? What happened on Saturday? What happened on Saturday? The rain began with a bang. Now see here, T-H-E, the, R-A-I-N, rain, began, began, G-A-N, gan, with, W-I-T-H, with a bang, B-A-N-G, bang. With a bang means बहुत जोर से. What happened on Monday? What happened on Monday? M-O-N-D-A-Y. It was bright and sunny. It was bright. B-R-I-G-H-T. Bright and sunny. It was bright and sunny. Bright. I have told you the spelling of bright. Try to read out it and spell it again and again. Bright. Wednesday. It was hot. It was hot. H-O-T, hot. And what you have to write for Friday? What you will write for Friday? What you will write for Friday? It was cloudy. Friday was cloudy. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. So Friday was cloudy. I-T, it, W-A-S, was cloudy. See the spelling? C-L, O-U. So it became cloud. D, cloudy. So this is the exercise of page number 17 to be done in the book. Again I am repeating. Sunday, Manu gets the red raincoat. Tuesday, the sky is blue. On Thursday, Manu goes on a picnic. On Saturday, the rain began with a bang. On Monday, it was bright and sunny. On Wednesday, it was hot. And finally on Friday, it was cloudy. Okay. So, now I am here to give you the homework. What is the homework today? Today is the homework that you have to write A4 exercise. This A4 exercise is your homework. A4 exercise. Okay. Here I am writing the poem on the green board as you always get it in the school. Okay. Put today's date. Homework. This is from the session 2. Homework is page number 17. A4 exercise. Page number 17. A4 exercise. This is the homework. Page number 17. A4 exercise. Let me write here also. The homework is page number 17, A4 exercise. Homework from course book. See then you will rewrite in the notebook. आपको पता है मैंने आपको ये होमवर्क क्यों दिया? So that आपको sentences लिख कर पढ़ने की प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी. So this is for just to give yourself a writing practice. ठीक है, लिखते लिखते इसे पढ़ने की भी कोशिश करना. And if you are feeling difficulty, take the help of with your parents, by your parents. Okay, so this is the thing for sure that your parents will accompany you. Okay, but try to do it yourself. खुद से भी थोड़ा करने की कोशिश करना. Okay, so have you all written this? And have you noted down the homework? From course book, page number 17, A4 exercise is your homework. You have to write in the notebook that what happened on Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Now I am erasing it. Now the next exercise is, you have, this is A5 exercise of page number 17 and you have to write the rhyming words of near, sunny and true. The rhyming word for the word near, sunny and true from the story itself. So the answer are near, dear, sunny, F-U-N-N-Y, funny. In the first part of this chapter also I have told you that. True, blue. And here there is a little cloud. There is a little cloud which is asking us कि book में तो नहीं है, but think of a word. What is the rhyming word for rain? Rain का rhyming word बता सकते हो? Yes, it is pain. Sorry. In the later classes I will give you cursive handwriting practice because I don't want to write this print letters. I don't like this print letters. But for you I have to write. Rain, pain. Note it down fast so that I can do the next page. The next page, this is B2. The seasons that I have shown you on the board, it is on page number 18. There is a questionnaire. B1 I have left for the next session. This B1 is left for the next session. Now we will do B2. Shall I erase it? Say yes. Yes ma'am, I have done, I have completed. So this was A5 exercise from your book, page number 17. Now we are moving ahead the next exercise that is based on seasons. Seasons के बारे में यहाँ पर पूछा है. Look at the clues below and name the season. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 type of questions. And the questions are, number 1 says S-O-U-P, soup, jacket, snowman. सूट, जैकेट, स्नोमैन. कब हमें जैकेट पहनना पड़ता है, गरम गरम सूप हमें पसंद आता है. एंड snowman means it is made of ice. So the season is, what is the season? The season is winter. WINTER, winter. The next is cold drink. You have to guess the season. Season कौन सा है? कोल्ड ड्रिंक है जिसमें आइसक्रीम है. अभी वीडियो में आपने देखा था. Only you have to guess. And hat. We have to wear a hat. We have to wear hat. We like to have cold drink and ice cream. So, answer it. It is summer season. SUMMER. Summer season. See class, only 2 or 3 minutes are left. After this, I will close my class. Number 3 is rubber boots, which we call gum boots also. Rubber boots we wear it. Raincoat. I think you have guessed it. Gum boots or raincoat कहाँ होते हैं? And clouds also. CLOUDS, clouds. And the season is monsoon. I have told you that rainy season is also called monsoon. MON, mon, SOON, soon. Number 4. Number 4 is LEAVES, leaves. Windy and cool. Madam has told you that after the monsoon and before the winter. Monsoon जाने के बाद और winter आने से पहले. This season is autumn. AUTUMN, autumn. Now this is the last one. After this I will close my class. Flowers, birds, bees. See, this is the new season that is not given in the book. Although it is not new for us, but it is not given in the book. Okay. So I want to tell you that after the winter season, जैसे rainy season के बाद और winter से पहले, okay, autumn आता है, वैसे ही winter जाने के बाद और summer season से थोड़ा पहले एक some days के लिए एक season आता है जिसमें बहुत सारे फूल खिलते हैं, बहुत सारे flowers. Okay, and it is generally the time of February, March, and that season is known as spring. SPRING, spring. So that's all for today. Today in this session, what did we do? This was your part 3 of the red raincoat, and here we did exercise A4, exercise A5 and exercise B2. Okay, and what is your homework? Your homework is A4 from page number 17. Okay, so class 1, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Okay, घर में पढ़ाई करना है, पेरेंट्स की बात सुननी है. If parents are saying that write it more than 2 times, so write it more than 2 times. अगर बोलेंगे थोड़ा रीडिंग करके दिखा दो, so you have to do practice for reading also. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.